Ghanaian style egg stew that you can whip up in under 30 minutes. It's super easy to make and super delicious, especially if you are an egg lover. So starting off by prepping some of our ingredients. So I've just got about 1/4 of an inch of ginger, and then I'm also going to get a couple of garlic cloves. I've got a medium red bell pepper here. I'm going to take half of it. I'm just going to chop it up, and this is going to be used in our stew later on. Now we're going to blend down the base of our stew. So I've got 3 medium tomatoes, a Scotch bonnet. I've added that ginger and the garlic that we prepped earlier on, and then I'm just going to blend this down until it's nice and smooth. And this is going to form the base of our stew. I've got a bit of oil in a pot, and I'm going to start off by cooking down my onions. As you can see, there's a little bit of that base of the stew there because I poured it in prematurely, but at this point it's just meant to be oil and onions. Now I'm adding in that stew base, and I'm going to start to cook it down. I season it with 1 seasoning cube, a Maggi cube. I also add some black pepper, I add some curry powder, and I add some thyme. And really you just want to let this cook on a medium temperature for about 7 to 10 minutes. Separately, I'm going to take 2 eggs, and I'm just going to whisk these down. And I'm going to add this to my stew. So what I actually do is pour it on top of the stew and allow it to sit on a low to medium temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes before I mix it all together. So this gets the egg nice and chunky. If you want small pieces of egg, then you can start to mix it together straight away. But when you have that chunkiness, it's just so much nicer. And then remember those bell peppers that we prepped earlier on. I drop this on top, cook it down again for a final 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it all together and you're done. So it's super easy to make, super delicious. Eat it with yam, eat it with some plantain. If you want a bit more of a struggle meal, you can even eat it with bread and just enjoy this delicious egg stew. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.